Sunday. Once again, Stephanie, you should know her name, and I are in a different location for our next Sunday dance video that we want to share with you in a beautiful location here in Virginia. Hope you like it. It is the very first time that we've ever shared it with you before, so please enjoy. Don't mind the airplane. We're outside.
Part of the ambiance.
It brings in, we got a creek over here, we've got a traffic over there. We're going to make the best of it. So, first part of this move is a basic and West Coast swing. It's a left side pass, so I'm going to bring her by my left side. 6 counts. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. It's a left side pass with an underarm turn. So we're just going to turn the angle a little bit this way. Guys, you can move off the track to your right, bring her by, let her go through, and then you anchor. That's the beginning of the move. So it's a basic beginning. The ending is a sugar push, basic move, and a tuck turn, basic move. So we're jamming those together called a sugar tuck. How that looks is on a sugar push, 6 counts for 5 and 6 here. I'm going to raise her right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I tuck and turn her to her right, putting her back where she was. That's the ending of this advanced move. So we've got a beginning move, we got a beginning ending. We're going to jam in something cool in between. Cha-cha tuck. That's what this is called. Sugar push, it begins like we showed you with an underarm, turn to the left, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stephanie's on her right foot. I'm coming up to meet her on my left, but I'm closer to her than I normally would be. So as a follow, she knows something's new that's about to happen. So we're going to go to 4 and stop again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm on my left foot weighted, her right foot, take my right hand and go underneath for 5. So I step into her, step with my right foot coming forward and go underneath her left arm. You got to get that connection or the rest of this isn't going to work, especially if you have a fast song. But any time you do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So underneath here, and I'm going to go 5. So the rest of it is a cha-cha. But we're going to ground our footwork. We're not going to do so much of a triple in place. We're going to do it really nice, slow, and mellow. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 7 and 8. I'm replacing my weight. Okay, I'm stepping forward, bringing her back, stepping back, moving her forward, and she should feel this connection at least when you first do 1 or 2 times. Now, if you've never done this with her before, she may not feel it. Show it to her. Trust me, as a follow, wouldn't you appreciate this if you saw it beforehand? She didn't know I was going to say that. So, to get into it, sugar push, 3 and 4. Bring her by left side pass. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. I don't want to do anymore, so I'm going to raise my left hand, bring her into a tuck, as we did for the first part. So you didn't really see that side, so we'll go this direction, you can see better. So on a sugar push, bring her by your left side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Raising arm. And send her back to where she was. Okay, so the tucks, depending on when you want to do it, guys, but you got to make sure to even count to end the move. Now, you can do this a little more style, but I recommend doing it the way you just saw it. But there's another way to get out of it, or another way to get into it, is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the top of her hand, and you can go 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Then you can do a little bit more of a flashier tuck. So the only difference there is instead of going underneath her right arm, sorry, her left arm, I'm grabbing the top and pushing that direction. So you get a little more arm, a little more fancy. See how Stephanie getting fancy? She always gets fancy. You can do it that way as well. Okay? So you got 2 choices. But you choose, you pick. We won't get mad. She definitely won't. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
This is a lovely spot. She picked it out. We've been scouting this area for a while. Got a creek, it's lovely here. Thank you guys for watching. We really hope you like it. Give us that thumbs up. Please subscribe, free video. It means the world to me. She keeps track. Do it for her. Have a great week. And as always, keep dancing.
Bye.